Hello everybody, Clint Cole from Rusty Hinge Designs here for another paint pour. So I've done some of this before where I do white all over it and then pour it right through the diagonally kind of. I'm gonna try to do black this time and pour it through. I've got a bunch of different colors all mixed in there. See if I can get that darn camera to focus. Hopefully you can see that. So let's just get started here. So I'm not going to pour it all the way on there. I'm going to go like this. And then I'll smooth this all out here. Probably need a little more than that, but that's okay. That looks good. Happy with that. Just wipe that off a little bit. And now we will take the cup and pour it down the middle. Definitely got more paint than I needed here, obviously. So this will be interesting to see how it comes out. Whoops. Almost just want to leave it like that. It looks so cool. But of course, you know me. I gotta always mess with it. That looks cool too. I wonder if I should do some drops like that all across it. I don't know if I'm gonna cover that up or not, but let's get this to go back and forth a little bit here. Yeah. Looks pretty cool. Definitely liking that. And I'm wondering, so let's mess with this one here a little bit and see what it looks like if I kind of... I'm wiping the tip off each time because I don't want to get, every time you go out into the black, it gets a little black on the tip and you'll really darken up the inside. Which sometimes actually looks cool. Yeah, looks kind of cool. Let's do it, let's see what happens. Okay guys, so I'm all done with this one little galaxy blast here. Came out looking pretty cool. Almost wondering if I should have just not done these spiral things on the side. I think it might have looked cooler just like that actually. I don't know. But we try to do things differently. And yeah, you know, actually these would have been cool on the side, just not as many. That's the problem I did too many. Gosh, now I'm thinking, should I just put some black over them and... No, I think I'm just gonna leave it. Yep, I like it. Alright, let me show you guys a little bit closer. Okay, so here's what it looks like. This is the part I really like, the middle part here. I like how it kind of broke open in the middle there. Or actually, I don't think it broke open. I think that's where the black came out from the cut, but it looks like it broke open. So, like I say, I'm kind of regretting these little things on the side here, little starbursts. Or I should have done maybe just a couple, not so many. And honestly, I'm sitting here debating whether or not to put black over and try to fix it, but I'm not sure. So I'm gonna think. I don't need to have the video going while I'm thinking. So let me know what you guys think. Do you like it better how it looked before I put them on there? Maybe different colors I should have done? What's your thoughts? Let me know below. All right, see you guys next time.